Okay, on this video, you're going to learn about drilling holes. So go to File and Open from my computer, number 12. We're skipping number 11, so don't worry about that. You didn't miss anything. And click Open. We're going to flip this around. Use that as our front. And this corner will be our home view. Document settings are still in inches, so let's go to Design, Manufacture, change the units to inches. Okay. So there are multiple operations on this. There's actually three, but we're going to decide to use one single tool to lessen the amount of time to set up and change tools. So let's go ahead and do this. We're going to go to 2D Pocket. Actually, we're not going to do 2D Pocket. We're going to do Setup first. So Setup, let's identify the Z-axis, the direction also. And then where is our origin? Stock will be no additional stock. And click OK. Oops. Why does it have stock? Or maybe I didn't click it. Okay. So let's go to drill. And I'm going to select a tool. Go to my tools for sim, but it's empty. The reason why, this is only looking for hole making tools. Let's go to milling. So technically this is not the correct way to do it. You need to have a tool just for making holes. Let's go back to the model and measure the size. So let's go inspect it. This one is 0.25. Let's inspect again, close that. This one is 0.75. Let's close that. And then this one right here is 0.375. So since our smallest one is 0.25, we're gonna the tool we're gonna use will be a 1/4 inch tool. Okay, so let's go to drill. I change the tool to a 1/4 inch end mill. So we're gonna go to flat end mill here and select. Okay, change that RPM to 3000, and plunge feed rate will be 10. Select geometry. So we're gonna select the faces. Oops, that's the bell. All right, and then heights, bottom of the hole, and then cycle, click OK. All right, so let's go ahead and see and simulate this. Hopefully it doesn't crash. There you go. All right, so that's what it did was it just made those holes. All right, I'm going to exit simulation. Now we're going to define the counter bore here. So I'm going to do 2D Pocket. And we're going to select the same tools. However, the RPMs are all off. So let's do the cutting feed rate of 20 to see what it does. It changes for us. Spindle speed rate will be 3000. Okay. All right. So 1/4. This will be 10. And ramp, it must be 3000. Okay. All right. Geometry. We can select that and that. Pocket. We're going to use the same tool. The heights is the same, the selected contour. No, that's your bottom. And then maximum step over, we'll do 0.125, and multiple depths, 0.125. And then stock to leave, let's close that and then click OK. Okay, so now it's going to create that much shallow, larger circle. Now we're going to do a 2D contour for this inside one. So using the same tool, so remember we're avoiding having to change tools because that does take a lot longer and having to um, set it up different tool sizes. Feed rate is good. Tool, same tool. Geometry. We're going to select the bottom of this, so we're going to orient this slowly. Um, let's see. For some reason I cannot select it. Let's see. So it has to be under selection, and I'm not sure why it changed, to be honest. So select the bottom outline. Your heights will be the bottom of that. Um, I don't want that to be the bottom because it doesn't go all the way through. So I'm going to change the, not the model bottom, but the selection. So I'm going to select the inside. Okay. So that's why it's important to double check, make sure everything has the right setting. Okay. Maximum step down, 0.125. Um, no stock to leave. And then we click OK. All right. Okay. So let's go to setup, click on setup, and then go to actions and simulate. Statistics wise, this is an 8-minute process. It's going to fast forward a bit. All right, and that's it. Don't forget to save your work. So save it, and you're done. Thank you.